Don't download Box Zero EUUK trading app before watching this. If you're thinking about Box Zero, pause for a moment. Most people assume it's just another free trading app, but the surprising truth is that it's designed for casual, low-cost trading with a strong focus on European markets. Box Zero allows users to trade stocks, and it's with zero commission. That sounds great, but most people get this wrong. They expect unlimited trading options and advanced tools. The app is simple and mobile-first, with an intuitive interface, but it lacks detailed research tools, advanced charting or professional-grade analytics. The app offers fractional shares, so you can invest in expensive stocks with as little as a few euros or pounds. It's perfect for new investors who want to dip their toes in the market without committing a large sum. However, order execution can be slower compared to professional brokerages, especially during high-volume trading periods. Box Zero also includes a social feature, letting you follow other traders and see trending investments. While this can be inspiring, it's easy to get caught up in herd behavior. Most people don't realize that social signals are not financial advice, and blindly following them can be risky. In conclusion, don't download Box Zero if you're looking for a full-featured trading platform with advanced analytics. It's excellent for beginners, casual traders, or those experimenting with fractional shares in European markets. But if you want real-time professional trading tools or global market access, you may feel limited. Know what the app truly offers, and you'll be able to use it effectively while avoiding common pitfalls.